Hi Glow Gang, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Christine, and we're the co-founders of Glow Recipe.
We're so excited to introduce you to our new product, the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream.
This powerhouse eye treatment helps brighten the appearance of dark circles and hydrate and depuff the look of the entire eye area.
We created Guava Eye because we were really looking for that one product that could truly give us that wide awake, bright-eyed look, no matter how tired we are. We worked hard with our labs to develop a formula that's powerful yet gentle and delivers serious hydration in a lightweight, fast-absorbing formula. Let's take a dive into this clinically effective formula.
One of my favorite things about this formula is how versatile it is. You can use it morning and night. Just take a pea-sized amount, warm it up on your ring fingers, they have the lightest touch, and gently tap it all over the eye area, moving from the inner corner to the outer corner. It's ophthalmologist tested and safe to apply to the eyelids, so it really gives you that hydration all over. I learned early on that comprehensive, effective eye care needs to include both above and under the eye. I also love to use it on the 11s to help really hydrate and plump that area.
It's also been such a game changer in my eye makeup routine. After letting the formula absorb for a minute, you can apply concealer right on top of it. It makes concealer application so seamless and creaseless and really makes everything look super natural. Eyeshadow also layers beautifully on top of it as well.
Like the rest of our products, we put it to the test to make sure that it passes our formulation standards. We can't wait for you to try Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream, your new go-to eye cream to intensely hydrate, brighten, and depuff for all. Until next time,
Get your glow on!